3 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. A hot, muggy night coming up across Acadiana. It's going to be a hot, muggy weekend coming up here over the next couple of days as well. No real way around it. Let's start with a look at the satellite and radar picture. This evening, you've got some showers that have been ongoing out over towards the east. They're making their way up over through parts of Alabama, starting to fizzle now, a little bit more out over through Oklahoma. That stays well out of the region, though. We've got a very quiet forecast coming up. High pressure going to dominate the forecast here over the next couple of days. Got clear skies all across Louisiana and Acadiana. Not going to be any exception. Today was a quiet day. We had a few fair weather clouds drifting in and out of the region. We'll see a little bit more of that again for tomorrow, but there's really not going to be much change from what we saw today and to what we're going to see tomorrow, so on and so forth. Really getting through the majority of next week that way. It's one of those very, very stagnant summer patterns that doesn't really have a whole lot of change. Now, the winds are going to remain in out at the south. That's going to bring in some more moisture. We are going to be humid here the next couple of days. Those southerly winds going to get it very, very warm as well. Look for temperatures to get into the 90s, probably pushing up close to about 93 degrees when all is said and done. Heat index going to be in the triple digits, anywhere from about 100 to 103 likely on the day tomorrow. You could get a few fair weather clouds, but that's going to be about it. I think FutureCast probably picking up on a little bit of extra moisture there. Winds going to remain in out of the south through the day tomorrow and on into Sunday as well. In fact, Sunday, no real change in store for us either. This pattern is just basically going to stay the same through the rest of the weekend into next week. Monday, as you would imagine, maybe a pop-up shower or two. We'll keep a 10% chance of rain going here over the next several days just because we have so much moisture in the atmosphere. It's so humid outside that it's always never a good idea to kind of bet against the showers, so you kind of keep that 10% going. Heat index wise, these are some of the numbers we're looking at for tomorrow, getting into the triple digits north of I-10. You're going to be pushing 90 by about 9 o'clock already, so the heat arrives early and stays with us all day. Even overnight, you don't really cool down that much. Heat index going to be staying in the 80s overnight as well. And then a little bit warmer, I think, the further south you go down along the interstate, you're going to be seeing temperatures running rather similar through there as well. Here's a quick look at what we can expect heat index wise for the Lafayette area, getting out over towards Crowley, Brobridge, St. Martinville. Again, the interstate parishes, triple digit heat index, 94 degrees by the time you get to 9 o'clock. So there's no real escape from the heat at all. If you do have outdoor chores to do, I'd recommend trying to get them done as early as possible before that heat does start to sink into the area, and then make sure that through this time period you're drinking plenty of water. If you're going to be out there, try and find the shade. It's all the things we tell you basically each and every summer to make sure that you're doing. Down along the coastline with a sea breeze, you may get a little bit of relief from the heat, and you can see those numbers slightly lower, but because you are closer to the Gulf of Mexico, it actually stays warmer overnight. A lot of that moisture kind of keeps temperatures up through the evening. So less of a cool down, but the afternoons, especially with a breeze, you may get a little bit of heat relief. But all being said, it's just going to be very, very hot. 77 degrees for your low tonight. Nearly calm conditions, really thick air. The humidity sinks in. Warm, clear, no real clouds. No real clouds tomorrow either. Mostly sunny skies, 93 degrees for your high. Winds from the southwest at about 8 to 12 miles an hour. Again, about a 10% chance for those showers. Dew points are going to be up there in the 70s, so it will feel very, very sticky outside, and kind of what we're looking at through the next 10 days. Not a whole lot to say. I found a way to talk about it for 4 minutes, but they're really...
You did such a wonderful job of telling us it's going to be hot with little chance of rain for the next little while.
A lot of adjectives. You just kind of...
There you go. Keep that vocabulary up,
right,
sir.
For sure.
All righty.